Speech language pathologists are involved in a science-based clinical service profession, and two words stand out to me as I say that statement. That's science and service. On the one hand, you have science. Science is the backbone of this profession. It keeps this profession moving forward and progressing. And speech language pathologists utilize science in every step and every way of their job. From evaluating to treatment to research, science is involved and it keeps enhancing this field. But on the other hand, you have service, and service is a passion of mine and is why I chose to become a speech language pathologist, because I want to have a direct impact on somebody's life and improve their quality of life by giving them a voice and allowing them to be heard, which will give them the confidence to go out and live a full life. And both science and service are two reasons why speech language pathologists are valuable and important.